Hello, welcome to Water Sign Philippines. So, reading ito for Water Sign, Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat ha. Unfortunately, hindi ko naman talaga makuha lahat ng energy ng water sign sa mundo. Pero kung gusto mo, pwede ka magpa-personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. And ako, open ng personal reading sa akin. Pero astrological reading, may kasama siyang tarot advice. Mag-inquire ka na lang sa virgophilippines@gmail.com. Wait for my reply guys sa mga nag inquire kasi medyo marami pa pong nagme-message pero as much as possible at least ma-replyan kita pag ready na ulit ako mag-accept. Inuuna ko muna yung mga naka-line up na nagpa-reading. So anyway, let's start. What do we have here for the sign of Water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? Pa-comment na lang dyan sa baba. Page of Cups, Queen of Swords is here. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Six of Wands. I feel like there's someone in the past na pwedeng kinut off mo or ikaw itong kinut off in the past ng taong ito pero parang hindi nyo magawang i-cut off ang isa't isa. The Page of Cups is like this person is still here. Like, alam mo kung gaano siya ka-importante sa'yo, so it's hard for you na kalimutan o basta baliwalain itong taong ito. Sino to person na ka-connect mo dito? You do have here the 8 of Coins, the Ace of Cups. Okay, this person really do loves you. Mahal ka niya and pwedeng naging open siya doon. This could be a person who is thinking about the future. The King of Wands, this is someone who is blunt and honest. So if you're thinking about someone na hindi open sa kanyang emotions, pwedeng sa inyong dalawa ikaw yun, no? Yung hindi open sa emotions mo. Itong person na ito, or the reading is vice versa. Some of you, ito yung side mo. Nakikita natin, itong person na to is someone na merong plano. Hindi siya basta-basta magsasalita or gagawa ng action or gagawa ng risky kind of thing kung wala siyang plano. So pwedeng by that time na nagsabi siya ng emotion sa'yo, meron siyang plano that time. But some of you with the Page of Cups, maybe you're not yet ready. So, nakikita natin yung pagka-cut off, pag-iwas mo sa person na to. Pero parang ang hirap i-deny. Bakit ganun? Parang, itong taong to, maybe you see this person as a friend or maybe wala kang nakukuha sa kanya or wala kang nararamdaman. Pero mahirap siya i-deny. Mahirap kalimutan. Pwedeng ganun. Ano ba emotions mo para sa taong to? Two of Swords and Eight of Wands, Nine of Cups. Okay, hindi para sa lahat. Yung iba, you do love this person. It's just that nagtitingin ka ng ibang options. Yung iba naman, maybe maybe you don't like this person. Mas nakafocus ka sa ibang options mo. And with the Two of Swords, pwedeng nakapag-decide ka na kung kanino mo ibibigay ang emotions mo. And maybe that is with regards to other people in your life or other people na dadating sa buhay mo. Eight of Wands, medyo iba yung tingin mo sa future. You're thinking about money, saving about something, saving money for something. Like, maybe may kinalaman sa mga future. Like, sa future, ganito gusto kong plano ko, ganito, ganyan. More on pagsasave din ng money yung focus mo ngayon. And yun nga, pwedeng ang focus mo is nasa ibang tao. Emotions ng taong ito for you. Two of Cups. Gusto niya ng relationship, connection, judgment. This person is really, pwedeng a weekend siya sa kung ano yung totoong meron sa inyo. Like, Gusto niya ng relationship, gusto niya ng something stable with you. This person wants commitment. I feel like kung wala kayong connection itong taon to, mababalik yung connection or communication. Yeah, the Ten of Cups. Mahal ka niya eh. Ano yung future for the both of you? Ace of Wands, the Hanged Man. The Lovers. And the Three of Coins. Clarify the Three of Coins and the Lovers, please. Knight of Wands. What's with the Ace of Wands and the Hanged Man? The Fool. Nakakita tayo ng new beginning for you in the future. Nakikita natin na ikaw ay magte-take ng risk about something. Honestly, if you are waiting for this person, there's a high chance na by the time na bumalik siya sa buhay mo, there's a chance na mag-take ng risk ka na dito sa connection na ito. But if you're not waiting for this person, maybe may pagte-take ng risk about something na pinag-iisipan mo or pinagdidesisyonan mo. The Knight of Wands and the Lovers. This is Gemini energy. I can see a lot of offer mula dito sa taong ito. But of course, nasa sa'yo yun eh. Ang nakikita natin dito, yung nag-handle ng connection na ito ay ikaw. Depende sa'yo if you would accept the offer. Depende sa'yo kung sasagutin mo itong connection with this person or yung iba, this could be manliligaw or maybe a friend or a person na matindi ang paghanga or pagmamahal na nararamdaman para sa'yo. Pero of course, nasa sa'yo yun. Either you end this connection or ilagay mo siya sa next level. But I can see a lot of offer. If ever ilalagay mo ito sa next level of commitment, I feel like parang hindi ka magsisisi kasi marami siyang kayang i-offer sa'yo eh. And hindi naman siya basta dadating sa buhay mo nang wala lang, nag-umamin lang, parang ganun. Ano after nito, ano? Diba? This person wants stability. This person wants, especially if you're dealing with someone na stable, kumbaga pag usaping pera lang din naman, marami naman ako niyan, marami akong kayang i-offer sa'yo, parang ganun. Pero nasa sa'yo pa rin. Nasa sa'yo pa rin. Kung paano mo i-accept ang taong ito sa buhay mo. Seven of Cups is here. So, this person is thinking of you, pero as much as possible, hinahandle niya yung emotions niya. Ayaw niyang maapektuhan sa mga nangyayari sa inyo. So that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.